Hello YouTube, this is my 2020 VNL 760. I will be doing a review, a quick review. I just got around 217,000 miles on it. I'll just put 20,000 miles on the thumbnail, looks better that way. So let me just do a quick walk around and then I'll go over what's been holding up on the truck, what hasn't. Overall, it's a great truck. Volvo does a fantastic semi. So starting from the exterior, the first thing I'll mention is my steers. So I have Michelin's, that's what I'm running. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of getting dark. But so my driver's side steer tends to wear out faster than my passenger side steer. So I got about 130,000 on the last set, and I feel like I'm expecting to get about the same for this year. And I just noticed as well that one of the chicken light went out. I have to take a look at it. Just noticed it today. Also, the emblem. They were washing the truck. This piece broke, so they didn't do a good job gluing that on there. For the front, I feel like that's about it. When I got the truck, these vents weren't in all the way, so I had to like push them in. So that's just poor quality control that they have, I guess. With the engine, everything seems fine. Have no issues yet. I did have issues with the wiper blades. They were sticking on the windshield. So what I did was I changed the motor for the wiper blades, and it seemed to go away for a while and then started sticking again, but it's not as much that it's bothering you or anything. What else? Also the DF door, it shakes when the truck is running. It'll shake, and it seems like it's eating into the plastic. So I mean, it's an easy fix. I just haven't done it yet. And like leaves scuffing marks over here. Yeah, the tires, the rear tires, also Michelin's, they're doing fine. I think I got about 130,000 miles left for them. Should run about 350,000 for me. I love the AC system in this truck. It's amazing. It runs off of 4 gel batteries. They're located under this catwalk. Yeah, this AC will run for 12 hours at full blast, no problem, and it uses up like half a battery, and that's like full blast, and I barely use it at its full potential. Also, another thing to mention, these mud guards, mud flaps. When I got the truck, the bolts weren't screwed in completely, and I lost some of the bolts, so I had to put in new bolts and tighten them. Also shows, it's a new bolt right there compared to that one. It just shows poor quality control, but it's simple stuff, so easy to fix. It's not a big issue. Also, another thing to mention is that this like fenderish thing, it wasn't also screwed in completely, so it would shake when I would drive. Like, it was getting very loud, so all I had to do is tighten it up, and seems to be holding up pretty well. Yeah, but if any one of you guys also has this truck and has the same issue with the steers, let me know if you got it solved or not, or if you actually having this issue. Also, one more thing to mention is when I also got the truck, my coolant was leaking through over here. I mean, I tightened the seal, and I guess it stopped. But I had to add about already like a gallon of fluid, so it's not too bad. Nothing really. So for the interior, as you guys can see, I have 217,070 miles. Not much going on in the interior. The truck has been very well, or just drives pretty good. So one issue I did have is these interior lighting. The fuse went out. I had to change that. The fuse they're located under this dash thing. I have the button transmission switchers. I like it. It looks clean, has a nice clean look to it. And another issue I had was with never really got it fixed, but these door handles, they're not that great. Like they if you kind of like close it, they'll still like pull out, like, you know, latch in once in a while. Yeah, same with the fridge. I had the same issue, so I'll close it and see it'll pull back. So when I'm driving, it'll go like, I'll slam it and it'll open. So the only way to really close it is you gotta like slam it. Yeah, see, now it's closed. So I had to kind of get used to that, but too much work to get that fixed. But other than that, I mean, it's a very nice truck. The cab, I love the interior, the sleeper. I love these window covers. Once you close them, there's no light that goes through, and they also help keep the heat in, doesn't escape as much. Another thing is I wasn't sure how to use the outlets, and so these outlets that I have in the truck, so in order to turn them on, you had to turn on the inverter, so read out the voltage as well. This is the system for AC and heat. It's auto climate control, so if you turn on AC and then it gets cold outside, it'll automatically switch to heat, and it's gonna run the heater. So that's kind of nice. I usually set it to like 64, 66, 68, and it's amazing. I love this system. Yeah, if you get in a truck, definitely recommend it. This table, I don't use much. I don't even like it. It's uncomfortable to use. That's another thing I don't like about this truck, is the small table. That's all you get, and like when you're eating, you get like crumbs in the shelf and stuff. So I mean, I don't really like that, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I mean, other than that, it's a pretty nice truck. Gets the job done. Another thing I forgot to mention is for the exterior, it's located behind this panel. There's the DEF, where the DEF goes through, and the whole DEF system. At like 130,000 miles, I had to go to the dealership. I gotta check engine light, and they had to change some stuff in there because the truck was gonna go into a D-rate mode. And I can throw in a picture for you guys to see. I have a picture of when that was getting done. Yeah, that's just one issue I had to go to the dealership for. Other than that, I mean, the truck has been holding up pretty well. I like this truck. It looks good, in my personal opinion, and if I had to recommend it to a new driver, experienced driver, I mean, definitely go for it. It's a nice truck. So if you guys like this video, just help my channel out. Press the subscribe button, like the video, comment, share the video. You know, it helps me out a lot. And if you guys want me to make more videos like these, please put in the comments, let me know. Or if there's another truck you want me to do a review of, I'll do it. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great New Year's.